I'm Tina Laster and you're back at Laster Farm. Today we've got a lot going on. We are out here on my back deck and we are getting ready to pressure wash all my cushions. Steve has started on these, but I'm gonna finish up. Got this stack, that stack, these, some down here, some over there. And then I've got a pressure washer table. Yesterday we got out here and all took turns pressure washing the deck, and it looks pretty good. But we've got to do all of the furniture and our table because tomorrow we're having guests. Tomorrow is Liz's birthday party, so she's having friends over and parents tomorrow. So we're gonna get this seen about, and I've also got to get out there and pick my tomatoes again and just kind of pick some things out of the garden. Right now the heat is really coming down on our okra. It's looking really bad. My squash plants did not make it. They're just all limped over. I want to think that it was not a weasel or whatever it bores up through the plant. I don't think it was that. I think it could be some type of fungus or something that killed them, because it can just kill it overnight, and which that, you know, insect that bores up through them can too. But I really didn't see no sign of the insect, even though a few of our leaves looked like they had holes in them. But I definitely want to replant something else in that bed. But today's not the day, I don't think. It's so hot and I've got so much going on. And if I pick those tomatoes, I'm going to have to can those up this week. So I'm going to have to get those done, because what I canned up is not a lot. And we did get the rest of this deck pressure washed down this way. And we put our grill back on the deck. And we used it yesterday and grilled up chicken wings for Liz. She wanted some honey barbecue wings, and we did the old-fashioned curly fries, and it was really good. And then we just got to continue to go down this way and clean the deck down through here, and just kind of pick up around here and get this tidied up. And then down here, I'm not going to really worry about this out here because I just don't have the time. Don't have the time in the day, and got to prepare for tomorrow, so I'm not going to do that. And anyway, I got to get back over here and get this done. And I have just kind of dreaded it, but it needs to be done. It's got to be done. We went without water, you know, in the spring, and we didn't get a chance to get out here and get it done. And now it's right here in our face, and we have to get it done. So let's get started on pressure washing these cushions and the chairs up on this deck. everything pressure washed, and I've got to clean the light fixtures. I haven't done that yet, and got this set up over here. I really don't want this table out here, but I don't have a place for it right now, so that's where it's at. And I had more chairs out here on this back deck. I had like a little love seat and 2 other chairs that I put at the end of this table, but we moved them over there underneath our porch for our tool shed, because I wanted some furniture over there. So got those over there, and I did not pressure wash those cushions, even though they really are nasty and need it. But I figure we'll be sitting out there under that tomorrow while the kids are going down the slip and slide. So I wanted something dry to sit on. And even if the kids come out here and eat tomorrow and the seats are a little wet, it won't matter, because they'll be going up and down the slide out there. Now this table, Steve made me this table, and he said, well, how big of a table do you want? And I ordered these chairs from Lowe's, and we've had these several years. I just kind of wanted the black wrought iron furniture, because, you know, it's traditional and it'll last. It's kind of a classic, you know. It don't go out of style, the black. And so I still have to get back up here and clean this table a little bit more. I think that my stain and everything has turned white because there's been some water on the table, and different things been on the table, and so I need to come back over it with some furniture polish and polish my table up. But at least the big majority, the pressure washing is over with for right now out here. And like I said, when he was building the table, he asked me how big I wanted it. And I said I want it big enough so all 5 of our kids can sit on one side and their spouses sit across from them. And then Steve and I would be on the end, you know. And so that's why he made it this size. And so I measured my chairs, and after they came in, he built the table. And the legs on this table, they are iron as well. I know they look like wood, but I spray painted them black. They were a brown color, and they had that wood look to them. But we got those legs from a table that Steve's Uncle Carmel had, and the table was in Steve's shop years ago, and he was discarding the table because he didn't want it in there any longer, and he was just going to throw it away because the top was really damaged and bulked up. And I said, oh, I would love to have the legs from that. So when we first moved to this property 26 years ago, I have lugged those legs from here to the flower shop to, you know, guest house to here. So they've been moved around and stored for all these years, and then he made that table. So I just love the table. I love that long table, and I want to move this table outside underneath the outside kitchen is what I'd like to do. But you know, who knows if we'll even put that outside kitchen out there. We could put the outside kitchen down here on the other side of our deck, but the thing is, on the other side of this deck, down here, I'll just take you and show you. This side gets a little loud from the central units. So this right here, all it would need is a new top on this side, and we could put our outside kitchen down here, and you can kind of see the whole yard from here instead of moving it out there in the garden. But I've always wanted one out here in the garden. And he moved the dirt pile, and my garden, my okra is looking really wilty. My cucumbers and my squash has died. My garden's looking pitiful. We need a little rain. We definitely need some rain. But I meant to get on out there, and I meant to pick my tomatoes today. I don't guess I'm going to be able to get out there and do that because I have to make a grocery run for the birthday party tomorrow, and I had to pick up Liz's cake. So I've got to go in and get a shower, and the babies have just left with Taylor. He picked them up. Rainey had to do some errands after work today. But anyway, I'm loving this area cleaned. I mean, it just feels more refreshed out here. It feels like, since everything has been washed off, it just feels, you know how it is after rain, it just feels, the air feels more clean and it's not as hot. That's what it feels like out here. But glad it's done, and I guess I'm gonna get in here and get my shower and get ready to go get groceries, go get party supplies. So anyway, I'm so glad that you are watching my channel, and I'm so thankful for the subscribers that I've picked up this week. I've got 5 new subscribers in the last couple of days. Well, really since yesterday. We're up to 144 in subscribers, and I'm so excited. My channel is growing, and my last video, I think we're up to 150 something views, so that's great. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. And if you haven't been on our channel before and you'd like to check out some of our videos, I would appreciate that so much. If you'd like to subscribe, that would really help my channel out. And push that like button if you like some of my videos. I would appreciate that, because that lets YouTube know that, hey, you know, keep your channel on and keep your channel going. So I appreciate it so much for all that you do for my channel, by subscribing and for liking. So thank you for sharing. God bless you. Until next time, we'll see you back here at Laster Farm. Bye.